Did you know that soil health is the answer to climate change? While much of the climate change conversation focuses on carbon in the form of carbon dioxide emissions in the atmosphere, the world's soil actually holds more carbon than both the atmosphere and the world's organisms combined. Thus, soil health needs a seat at the table for the conversation about climate change. Let's unpack the relationship between soil and carbon dioxide, also known as CO2. In technical terms, we are talking about the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle begins with photosynthesis, where plants take CO2 in from the atmosphere. This process pumps carbon-based compounds into the soil, which enables the soil to hold more water, making land more resilient to droughts and floods, and also allows for more plant growth, which combats land degradation and desertification. The carbon cycle becomes broken with industrial farming methods, which hasten the release of CO2 into the atmosphere, leading to a decline in the amount of carbon-based organic matter in soil. To reduce atmospheric CO2, we need to put CO2 back into the soil. We can do this by planting more trees, adding carbon directly to the soil via amendments such as compost and biochar, reducing and eliminating tillage, and keeping the soil covered with plants for as much of the year as possible so that the carbon cycle stays functioning. As Steve Jobs once said, if you define the problem correctly, you almost have the solution. Likewise, if we include unhealthy soil in the climate change problem, the solution leads us to making our soils healthy again. If you enjoyed what you heard and want to dive deeper into topics on soil health, be sure to follow my channel. And also, please don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have below. See you next time.